Next, I want to show you Lucid. Now, again, did I already give you the disclaimer that I'm not here advertising anything? I'm simply showing you what I use. And I know that I'm in a majority state, I think, at least as far as all of the many people I deal with in my profession. Lucid is advantageous because it runs in a browser, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to be on Windows. It doesn't matter that. And I'm here in my account, and notice I've gone in. What I've done is I said, create a new Lucid chart diagram from a template, and I did a search for server rack just as an example. So let me take a look at this. Again, Lucid is just another of an example software as a service product. This one is truly SaaS, where you pay by the month or by the year. And I happily am a paid customer. Let me state that for the record. I get free access due to my full-time employment at Pluralsight, but I also have a personal license that I pay for myself. Now, these templates can be a great jumpstart. Now, these are generic icons here that represent switches. You may be fine with that, but more to the point, though, you'll find you'll want to inspect the metadata that you can store in shapes. Honestly, I haven't gotten to that level of depth with Lucidchart. I've never needed to. Whenever I've done work with data-backed diagrams, just full disclosure, for me it's been in Visio. But this would be a case also where you might need to go beyond generic icons and look for product-specific ones. And one nice thing about Lucidchart is they have such a vast library of shapes that you can use immediately right in your diagram. So here I'm typing a firewall, and I found that's a different kind of icon. It's not actually what I wanted, but potentially could get us there. You see what I mean? We'd also want to do a Google search, etc., etc., etc. So that's kind of cool. Lucid. Let me think on the top of my head if there's any other ones, especially ones that are free. Well, a lot of my friends and colleagues use draw.io. And this you're getting even wider in terms of the net of potential customers. Because as you see, I just went to draw.io. It's asking me where do I want to save. And I would most likely save at a cloud location, or I could decide later. And I'm off and running for free. This is a pretty compelling product for sure. Now, full disclosure, I can't speak further because it's been a long time since I used it. But these are all ways that you can implement most of the content that we learned in this lesson, particularly about logical and physical network diagrams.